the moment. Give them a cheer as they go. Great. Right, then we'll probably do a... No, who's going to come past? Keep watching, keep watching. The wind goes in, give him a great big cheer. Hey, there he goes. Lovely. Training the dogs to jump the boat takes a bit of time. Some of them just slide into the water.
He's going very, very straight, going out to the spinal board. Very good working dog. She's nearly 7 years of age. We start to say they're a veteran at 7. Now she's got the rope and she's going to bring it back in, keeping it really steady. And you can see how flat that spinal board is on the water. There's very little movement of the child's spine, and both of the lifeguards can take care of the child while the dog does all the hard work pulling them in. Shall we give her a big clap?
Let's go, Linda! Linda! Come on, Linda! Come on! Come on, sorry! Brother!
Spine's got the camera there. There you are. And then turn. Let go angle, very low and go. And let go. That's it. Very clever girl. That's it. That's it. Come on. You do it once more and that'll be enough. Because that will feel a lot.
Done.
Lola!
Didn't we?
Lola!
Oh, it's on the way, hang on.
Nice.
Good choice of location, Courage.
Good girl. Okay.
Look, finished.
Say when.
When?
The whole shower, so I don't think I'm taking anybody back. No, I've got Prada. Prada, I'm a really naughty girl. Not everywhere.